How can I be more comfortable when speaking to the camera?
Many professionals don't like to deliver speeches or little pieces to camera. Have you ever asked yourself, why is that? Well, of course, you're speaking to a piece of technology as I'm doing right now, and that's never that comfortable. But if you also think about it, there's also this fact, this challenge that whatever you create, once it's out there, everybody can save it on their phones and it will never disappear. So therefore, there's a lot of pressure. If you want to make it easier for yourself, one, think and remind yourself that you don't have to be perfect. Nobody's really looking for perfection. Of course, we need to know our content, but if we make mistakes, we can also just press stop and record again. And two, we can also just admit that we are human, smile, correct ourselves, continue. And three, don't just speak to the camera, speak to the person that is actually watching the video. Imagine a friend, a colleague, somebody that you really like, and have a conversation with them rather than just talking to this piece of technology in front of you. That's my tips to be more comfortable and more easy in front of the camera.